Hello, this is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It has approximately 95,000 miles on it. It's 2015, and I am selling this vehicle. If you are interested, please contact me at the email address provided in the description box. And this will be a quick, short video to give you an overall view of it. I will be making a longer, more detailed video, so stay tuned to my channel for that if you are interested. I will show the underbody, the interior, the engine, and give you more information on the vehicle. It has a 2.5-inch rough country lift. Tires are 285 70R17. They have some life left in them. These are some of the items that will be included with the vehicle or will be available for an additional cost. This is the original bumper. This is an aftermarket, I believe this is called a bikini top. It only covers the top of the vehicle once the hard top is removed. This is some type of water, what do you call it? This is to keep water from dripping into the Jeep. If you're familiar with Jeeps, you know they're notorious for getting water leaks. This one has a water leak, and that's what that little kit is for. This is a spotlight, one of those high intensity spotlights. This is a towing hitch. This is a used CB. Like I said, some of this stuff is not in great condition and it's optional. It may be a freebie or may cost you a small price. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. Okay, this is the hardware for the original bumper. These are original hood latches. I did replace those. This is to help you lift the doors when you remove the doors. This comes in very handy. Okay, this is another towing hitch. Let me see. This is a cover by WRANGLER. If you're not familiar with them, you can go to their website and see what they're all about. But this covers the entire Jeep once the hard top is removed to prevent, of course, weather damage or anything or anybody from getting into your Jeep to a certain degree. This is a Badland hitch, hook that I never installed. I never got a winch. These are two parts of the bumper. I believe that's the splash guard. This is another part of the bumper. All right, this will be hard to see because I have a lot of junk in here, but I also have the okay, get out the way, chair. All right, hope you can see this. I have the 5 original rims. If you can see that, hope you can get a look at it. Yes, and it does have the leader. It does have the little Easter egg Jeep on the rims. It's original equipment, and these are the first pair of mud tires I put on a Jeep. I have all 4 of these tires and the original 5th spare tire in addition to the 5 tires on the Jeep. As I said before, some of this will be included, some will be optional, and that is something we can work out in the details once I found someone who is serious about buying a Jeep. Again, this is preliminary video just to put the information out there to see if anyone's interested. If you are, please hit me up at the email provided. Thanks a lot. Bye.